Would you believe me if I said that this pizza crust was made out of chicken? Yep, it is literally chicken, an egg, and some grated Parmesan cheese with a few seasonings. That's it. Whether you're low carb or not, I promise this recipe will blow your mind. You can add whatever toppings you would like, but I'm going for a chicken bacon ranch pizza. So I threw all of my crust ingredients together in a bowl and I added it to a pizza pan that was well greased. I baked this in the oven after mashing it into my pan at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. It should look like this when it's ready, and then you can add your toppings. So I, of course, added some ranch dressing, mozzarella cheese, and of course, a ton of crispy bacon. I put this back in the oven for about 10 to 12 more minutes just to get the cheese nice and golden. And trust me, you guys, you will love this recipe.